going to make a mock beef stew, if you will. My husband has alphagal, so we can't have just traditional beef stew. But I've used these before, and it works really, really well. And this particular brand happens to be Butterball, but it's a seasoned turkey breast roast. And I go ahead and I just cut this up into smaller pieces. Okay, I'm going to prepare the Dutch oven, and then we're going to sear the meat. I am going to add just a dusting of flour. That's just going to help thicken it at the end. And I'm adding chicken stock. And I have a can of diced tomatoes we're going to add. Juice and all. You don't have to drain them. And from some vegetables I had started to prepare, we're going to go ahead and put the onion in. I'm going to add more stock. That's not quite enough. Okay, we'll stop there, but we may add more later as it cooks. Before we add anything else, we do want to let this cook for about an hour. And I'm going to turn that to a medium-low. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add in some small potatoes. I'm going to add in some celery and carrots, 2 bay leaves, and I need 2 teaspoons of thyme and basil. This is a ½ teaspoon measure, so we'll put in 4 of these. Now we'll grab the basil and do the same. Give this just a bit of a stir. Alright, we've got some Worcestershire. Now we're going to cover this again and let it continue to cook. So I'll bring you back. Okay guys, so now I gave it a taste, and I did add a little more pepper. I also made a slurry of cornstarch and water and put in. I do like beef stew to be a little thicker. We're going to let it continue to just simmer now. Let everything meld together and start thickening up. Okay, so it's thickening up now, as you can see. not nearly as runny, so that's what I like to see with beef stew. The meat's very tender, it's just coming apart, so that's good. Let me grab a fork and see how the carrots and potatoes are. Potatoes are good. Carrots are a little firm. But I'm going to let this simmer for probably another 20 minutes. Just to let those carrots get good and soft.